Need to automate detection of small markings, scratches, etc. that are difficult to see with the naked eye. This video introduces coaxial box lighting, which is good for imaging small scratches and roughness on the surface. Let's explain what coaxial box lighting, how does it work, and the key points to consider when selecting one. Coaxial box lighting is a box-type lighting that is installed on the observation axis of the lens and can illuminate the object with a surface. The image is taken by looking straight down through the window at the top of the object. There is a light-emitting surface inside that is perpendicular to the observation axis, and a half mirror can be used to irradiate light directly below, allowing you to capture the specularly reflected light from the object. Coaxial box lighting allows you to image minute irregularities on the surface of the object. Let's take an image of the stamp printed on the board by changing the lighting. The engraving is not noticeable when imaging with direct ring lighting. By capturing an image with coaxial box lighting, you can capture the difference in surface reflectance and make the engraving stand out. Next, let's image the scratches on the plastic cap. When imaged with an inappropriate lighting configuration, surface scratches are less visible. If you take an image with coaxial box lighting, you can make small scratches stand out. Spot lighting can also be used to illuminate the object from directly above it. Some lenses come with a coaxial adapter attached to the side of the housing that allows you to insert a spot lighting into the lens. While these lenses are space-saving and easy to install, it has the disadvantage that hot spots are likely to occur on objects with low reflectance. Let's take an image of the top of the lens cap. The central part of the field of view becomes extremely bright. This phenomenon is a hot spot. Let's take an image of the same lens cap using coaxial box lighting. The entire field of view can be imaged with uniform brightness, without hot spots. There are 3 points to consider when choosing coaxial box lighting. Uniformity, light leakage countermeasures, size. Uniformity. For coaxial box lighting, which can uniformly brighten the entire field of view from the center to the periphery, uneven brightness on the light-emitting surface is fatal. If the brightness is not uniform, the brightness of the captured image will be uneven within the field of view, which may affect inspection accuracy. Light leakage countermeasures. With coaxial box lighting, the light from the LED elements installed horizontally is made uniform through a diffusion plate, and then bent 90 degrees with a half mirror to illuminate the object directly below. However, some of the light emitted from the sideways light-emitting surface may leak out without passing through the half mirror, which may affect imaging. It is necessary to prevent the light from the sideways light-emitting surface from directly leaking out, and only the light that passes through the half mirror should illuminate the object directly below. Size. As the name suggests, coaxial box lighting is a box-shaped lighting, and tends to be larger than spot lighting or other ring lighting. Because it needs to be installed in a limited space between the lens and the object, coaxial box lighting, which is as compact as possible, is easier to install and allows more freedom in making fine adjustments such as distance from the object. VST's VCO series of coaxial box lighting covers 3 points. High uniformity. All models feature high intensity with light leakage countermeasures. A prism sheet is attached to the light-emitting surface, which prevents light from directly leaking from the light-emitting surface and allows the object to be irradiated with light evenly. The use of a prism sheet also suppresses the reduction in brightness caused by conventional films. Pursuing miniaturization that can be installed even with a short WD. By designing the light-emitting surface 4:3 to match camera's aspect ratio, the height of the housing can be made more compact. There are also many other points to consider when it comes to capturing images. Lighting color, size, dimming, lighting distance, angle, camera and lens selection. VS technology supports your image creation